Hello dears, today I am going to teach you the alphabet R and R for Republic Day. I made a small flag too for my granddaughter's wrist, and I'm going to use the 4.5 mm hook, an acrylic yarn, 8 ply, scissor and a needle. So let's slip knot and make 30 chains. Then we start making double crochets from third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. So we completed double crochet row, and now we'll make chains at the end here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18. So now we make one double crochet and then 2 double crochets like we did for P. To turn this, we make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So I'll meet you at the end of this row. So we completed 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in this complete row, and it turned into a C, like a C. And then we make double crochet into the horizontal, that is this horizontal, first horizontal double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochets, and then we make one more double crochet, so total 3 double crochets. Then we just turn and slip knot twice until we reach the half portion of the R. This bar, this bar, we go down slip stitching until we reach halfway through. Halfway through, and then just measure it here. So we have almost reached the half part of the R. Then we slip knot, slip stitch into this area here, slip stitch, again slip stitch 3 times, and you come out and you come to join this portion here. Then we slip stitch slip stitch, again slip stitch. Slip stitch again. And then slip stitch into this. Then make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So you can see it's come till here, and then you make 3 more chains, 1, 2, 3, and then make double crochets till the end of this. So we reached the last chain, and then now we'll slip stitch into the 3rd chain here, and we are done with the letter R. Snip it, fasten it, and we are done with R, the R letter. You can make it smaller also, and also you can block it by wetting it and neat, make it neat. Here we are with the R, letter R. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.